Using the line provided, construct a box and whisker plot for the 12 scores below. Okay, so there are 5 things that we have to identify in a box and whisker plot. That's the minimum, first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the max. So to identify these things, we have to list these numbers in order from least to greatest. So there they are listed in order from least to greatest. The minimum is the first number in the list. In the list after you put it in order from least to greatest, and the max is the last number in the list. So we identify the minimum and the max. Now we have to identify the median. The median is the number in the middle. We have 2 middle numbers. So since we have 2 middle numbers, these 2 numbers here, what we do is we take the average, and that's 31. So the median is 31. 1Q, or your first quartile, by the way, before I move on to this, the median is also known as the second quartile. Just so you know. Okay, now 1Q, think of it as the median of the minimum and the median. So we have 2 middle numbers again. We take the average, that's 20, so this is 1Q. The third quartile is the median of the median and the max. That's these 2 middle numbers here. So what we do is we take the average and we get 41. So this is third quartile. Once we identify these 5 things, we're ready for our box and whisker plot. So we're going to go ahead and go by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, so on and so forth. So you start with the minimum, then the first quartile, that's 20. So this is going to be the beginning of the box. This over here is our whisker. And then we got our median, that's 31. So it's going to look like this. And then we have our third quartile, that's 41. It's going to be about here. That's going to be the end of our box. And then we got 65, our max. That's over here. That's our whisker, our other whisker. And there you have it. That's your box and whisker plot. So this part is the minimum. This part is first quartile. This is the median. This is the third quartile. And this part is the max. Okay? Let me go ahead and move this stuff up. See if I can move it up. Just to get it out the way there. Okay, determine the number of scores that lie above the 75th percentile. So the 75th percentile, that's 3Q. That's the third quartile. So they want to know how many scores lie above the 75th percentile. So how many scores are above 41? Well, 42, 57, and 65, 3 scores. 42, 57, and 65. Okay, I hope that helps. Take care.